Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. This is Alex Corey. I'm walking around neighborhoods today. We're in Weaverville, North Carolina. Gorgeous day, and I'm enjoying the beating sunshine, looking for roofs like the one behind me, like this beautiful array, talking to people about the free money that's disappearing at the end of 2022. There's a federal tax credit for owning your own power, for going solar. It's at 26% currently, and at the end of 2022 it's dropping to 22%, and that's literally thousands of dollars disappearing. So if you've ever thought about owning your own energy, reducing the burden on the grid, going with sustainable and renewable energy, this is the year to do it. I also just found out about a 14.9% federal panel depreciation tax credit that just requires an accountant or someone who does your taxes to fill out a separate form. There's not a better time to go solar and to start owning your own energy. Energy costs only go up. They usually double every 15 years. Right now we're at about 14 cents a kilowatt. So in 10 years, with inflation baked in, that may be well above 20 cents a kilowatt. Solar will fix your per month costs, so you literally just swap over from paying a utility giant such as Duke Energy to paying for just the solar, and then once that's paid off, you own your own energy. We can find numerous other ways to lower your power bill. We give free quotes. Just contact me below. And if you're in South Carolina, that is an extra 25% state tax credit. Never been a better time to go solar.